It's Tim Albright with AVNation at InfoComm 2017 with Taft, Strickland, and Just Add Power. How are you, sir?
I'm excellent.
Good.
How are you?
Good. Good show for you?
It's been crazy busy. It's been a lot of fun. Yeah.
Good. Why do you guys exhibit here?
So we over a decade ago started building HDMI over IP product here in the U.S. And the commercial audio video market is very key to our business success.
Very cool. What are some of the you mentioned the video over IP stuff, and we'll get to some of your new offerings for this year. When you're talking with integrators, what are some of the verticals, or what are some of the solutions that you're solving, or problems that you're solving?
So we do 4K over IP. We do it over a managed gigabit network.
Okay.
So as far as implementation, cabling costs, and everything else, it's a very affordable solution. And we've launched some more affordable 4K products in time for this show.
Talk about this.
So we have boxes that do USB over IP, Dolby downmix, analog audio outputs, analog audio inputs. And what we found is a lot of times people are utilizing our product and they only need to control the display via serial. They maybe don't need USB. So we launched our 3G PoE products, which can be mixed and matched with everything else. But if you have a source or a display that doesn't need USB and it doesn't need CEC, then we now have a lesser expensive alternative. It's also a smaller box as well.
So the serial is a smaller box than the CEC or the USB control?
Well, I mean, it's a smaller box, and then once we add those features on, the box gets about an inch wider, so and a half inch taller. So
from your experience, are you seeing people more migrate towards the CEC? Or more, kind of stay in the serial realm?
Typically staying in the serial realm. We do one-way CEC, which is far more reliable than two-way CEC.
Thank you for that, by the way.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So.
For those of you who haven't had experience with CEC, it's about as reliable as any politician you've ever voted for. All right.
Exactly. Yes.
So you've got video over IP. What are some of the challenges that you guys are either running into or helping solve as we're going into the 4K and beyond 4K?
So some of the things that we solve with 4K, everybody says they're 4K HDR, and that's great unless you have two different displays. So for us, you can utilize your current screens. So we can take HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 and downscale it to 1080p.
Okay.
So you can mix and match displays. We also upscale and downscaled to the native resolution of the display, meaning that you get instant switching when you switch video. Beyond that, managing HDR, I could have any mix of HDR, HDR10, 1080p, or non-HDR screens in a system, and I can give every screen what it needs since we're managing it. So I could have a LG HDR10 screen and a Samsung HDR screen and a 1080p screen, and everything gets the best possible picture that you can get, which is great, and it's very manageable and very easy for the integrator. So we're solving that, and then we build product that we try and design it to last for decades. So we've launched a plug, play, present update at this show. This will go on every video HDMI over IP product that we've built for the last decade. And it allows the transmitter to have a logic application into it. So if you're doing a huddle room or a boardroom or a party room within a commercial application, you can walk in and plug your laptop in, either VGA or HDMI. As soon as it sees video, the integrator has created a preset inside of the transmitter. And the transmitter can then tell two projectors and 10 screens, or one screen or two screen to turn on and to select that input. As an integrator, when you disconnect that video source, you can choose to either have it turn off the room or switch to a default source.
That is freaking awesome.
And the cool thing is not only is it free, but it's free to anybody that's bought our product over the last 10 years.
See, that's remarkable, the fact that you're actually making it retrogradable.
And that's how we design and engineer our product. So our company was founded by ex-IBM guys, not ex-AV guys, and spent a lot of years building video products for houses of worship. And they were always concerned about being good stewards with their money. And they're always concerned about, like, hey, I'm going to buy this, and can I add, and can we do this, and we only have this much money this month, and what about next month, and what about next month or next year? So that's kind of the premise of what we've done. It's great for the environment, being sustainable. And then we're also based here in Florida. So just outside of Tampa Bay and Largo, and that's where our design, engineering, support, and manufacturing facility is.
Excellent. Well, if somebody's watching this and they want to become a dealer or they want to get a hold of the product, how do they do that?
You can give us a call or visit our website. It's probably the easiest thing at justaddpower.com.
All right, very good. Taft, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Taft from Just Add Power. If you want to find out more information about us, you can go to avnation.tv.